Welcome to 4603 Ramblewood Drive, located in the Forest Oaks neighborhood on the golf course. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house on the main levels, and then there's a finished basement. We've also got an office and a great deck out back looking out to the golf course, so let's go in and check it out. Entering through the front door, we come into a foyer with hardwood parquet floors. To your right are the stairs. There's a coat closet here. Immediately to your left is the kitchen. We'll go in here first. Kitchen is separated by a pocket door. We've got an updated kitchen here. It's eat-in. There's a nice breakfast nook right here. We've got some newer appliances, Corian solid surface countertops, track lighting, stainless steel sink, but tons and tons of counter space and cabinet space. This way we have a half bath, a single vanity, and right across from that we have got the laundry room. It's got a window, cabinet, shelving, a sink, and even a pantry with an automatic light. Out here is the garage. Normally wouldn't mention a garage, but this one is way oversized, 2-car. It's got independent doors with automatic openers. We've got some built-in shelving, and this is a really deep garage. We've also got pull-down stairs to the attic over there, in addition to another way to get to the attic through one of the upstairs bedrooms. So we'll pass back through the kitchen into the dining room. We've got hardwood floors here in the kitchen, hardwood floors here in the dining room. We've got a nice bay window that looks out over the backyard and the golf course. Take a little peek here, as you can see, and we've also got there's a fenced-in dog run, but we can look at that in a little bit. And this room is open to this very dramatic great room. We've got skylights in here. The hallway to the upstairs is open. We've got 2 sets of French doors that lead out onto the deck, and this very beautiful, dramatic, stacked stone fireplace. It is a wood-burning fireplace, and we've also got built-ins, cabinets and shelving over to the side here, and a desk and shelving to the side here. Also leading out onto the deck, which we will take a look at in just a minute. So we'll swing around, head down the hall. There's the door to the basement. And the master in this house is on the main level. It is a nice huge master. Lots and lots of space here. We've got the beautiful bay window on this side as well. I'll swing around so you can see. We'll go into the master bath. And immediately to the right we've got the nice walk-in closet with wood shelving. Great storage, and then we have the double bowl vanity sink. We've got a large soaking tub here and the stand-up shower with new glass shower doors. So now we will take a look at the upstairs. You come up to the top of the stairs and it's in the middle of the hallway. You can look over into the great room. We'll turn to the right. And the first room on our right is a very small little room, but it is perfect for a home office. And then right down that hall from that is bedroom number 2. It's a good sized room. We've got a window over here. This bedroom, as well as the other upstairs bedroom, has eave storage right off the bedroom, which is a great feature. This bedroom also has 2 closets. And we've got built-in shelving in here. And then this closet, we have the other access that I was mentioning to the attic space, so that you don't have to climb the stairs. So we'll go through here real quick and show you just how much storage this house has. And then here we go. And then over there to that end are the pull down stairs that go into the garage. And you've got windows on both sides, so there's light in here so that you can see. Great storage. We'll go down the hall, check out the bathroom and the other bedroom. Here is the full bath. We've got double vanity sink, a dormer window here, a linen closet, and a stand-up shower, again with some brand new glass shower doors. Come around here and we have got bedroom number 3. It's got a dormer in it, nice double closet, windows, and another one of the eave storage type closets like the other bedroom. Another thing to mention is that there's also a whole house fan, attic fan, located right there, which is a nice feature when you don't want to run the AC. So let's go down and check out the basement. Okay, we are back downstairs, main level, and heading into the basement. Also, need to mention that it's dual zone heating and air. So there's 2 units. Come down here, and directly in front of us, we have got kind of the mechanical room and a workshop with light, workbench, shelving, pegboard. Come out there, and then we've got your recreational room. Plenty of room over here for a pool table. In fact, I believe there used to be one here. We do have some windows, although they lead out under the deck. And we've got another wood-burning fireplace down here. And through here we have got what has been being used as an office. And then here we've got double doors leading to another room. Could be used, I suppose, as a bedroom or just another office even. And then through here we step up and we have got full bathroom in here. And then storage underneath the stairs with a light. And we'll go see what the beautiful deck and yard look like. From the great room, we head out onto the back deck. This back deck is absolutely huge. It's a great place to entertain, and you have actually got built-in seating all around the perimeter of this back deck. And we get out here a little further, and we notice that you can see the green, the golf course. At one time this was well, it's a par 3, but at one time it was number 12 par 3 for the GGO. That's not being held here anymore, but then here we can look back up at the deck. Go down into the backyard. And you can see here the fenced-in dog area. It's actually rather beautifully covered with ivy right now. You can see the back of the house. We do have an entry and exit over here for the basement. So, and it could be used as a in-law suite down there, possibly. We've got the backyard. And then here we can look out onto the golf course. And there's actually somebody teeing off right now. The motor sound you hear is this fan that the golf course has placed out on the green. So we'll turn back around. And again, this is 4603 Ramblewood Drive in Forest Oaks neighborhood in southeast Greensboro, North Carolina.